Okay, hi boys and girls, it's Miss Paige. Today I'm gonna have my family help me make a science experiment, all right? Okay, let's start with all the things that we're going to need. Today we have a plate, some birthday candles, a glass with a little bit of water, and a glass that is empty. Abigail, we've already done this as science experiment. What do you think we're gonna do?
We're gonna light up the candle, put some water in it, and put it up and see what's gonna happen.
Good job. Okay, so let's get it all ready. To help us today, I told you I'm gonna involve my family. Here we have my husband, Coach Edwards, who also is a science teacher. Can you believe that? He spends all day doing his science experiments. And he is going to give us a little bit of an idea of what we are doing first. So, Coach Ed, by putting all these candles on here and putting a cup over it, what do you think would happen? He's gonna make a hypothesis.
By lighting the candles will use a thing called combustion, where it will burn and be able to complete a combustion reaction or a burning, allow it to burn like that. You will have to have oxygen.
And oxygen is what we breathe.
Same thing as we breathe. So as soon as you put the cup over it, it's going to have a limited amount of oxygen. So as soon as it burns out all the oxygen, it'll disappear.
It's gone. Look, the candle blew out. Some of you have probably seen your mamas and daddies do that with their candles. Now, watch what happens when we put water in our bowl, our plate.
Our plate, because we know everything starts with water.
Okay, we're gonna light the candles again.
Again, and put the cup over them again, and see what's gonna happen when that happens.
Okay, we've used Play-Doh to keep our candles upright. Now I'm going to cover the candles with my cup, and these candles are going to be looking or searching for all that air, and watch what happens to the water. Let me grab the camera.
Bam, pow. The light comes.
Nope. Okay, let's light the candles one more time. There's
I'll be
still
down
water
here
in the
again.
plate.
I'll be down here again.
Okay, good idea. Okay, remember,
And then I'll
candles
pop
can only burn with oxygen or the air we breathe. Now watch this. Don't move the camera. Okay.
Like pow. Come out of the water.
What happened?
It flew away from the air.
Kinda. All that air or all that oxygen was gone because of the candle, and so it sucked up all that water. Watch what happens when I take the cup up.
Did you hear that sound, everyone?
And now, Coach Edwards is going to tell us the big kid word for that. What did you say that was?
All right, when it burned all the oxygen off underneath the cup, it created what we call negative pressure. And negative pressure is pretty much what you do when you try to suck through a straw. When you sit there and make that motion to suck through a straw, you're creating negative pressure in your mouth, which will suck the water up through the straw. Well, glass couldn't do that, so instead, when we burnt all the oxygen off inside the cup, it created the negative pressure, sucking the water up into the cup.
And it stayed there. It was almost like magic. He was talking about a vacuum. You know what your mamas and daddies use to suck up things? That's what the air did. Whenever it couldn't find any more of the oxygen in the cup, it sucked up that water to condense the space. If your mommies and daddies will let you, you should try this at home, but only with your mommies and daddies. Thanks, guys. I miss you. I'll see you Monday, okay?
Bye, y'all.
Bye.